Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode on your earbuds Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. You have to start by opening the application, and right here we have Ambient Control. Click on it, and you need to firstly activate transparency mode, so click at the Ambient Mode, or you can use a gesture for it also, enable it by a gesture, and right here we can change transparency level. So just to increase it, move it to the right, and right here we have the free option, minimum, middle one, and the maximum. So just move, make something good for you. The maximum it will be full transparency, and if you just lower it, move to the left, and make something good for you. But I'm going with the maximum transparency. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.